The ECOVACS WINBOT Mini window cleaning robot features a compact design that is perfect for cleaning even the smallest and most difficult-to-reach windows. This innovative robot uses an ultrasonic water spray system to efficiently remove tough stains while conserving water and ensuring a streak-free finish. With a robust 9-stage protection system, this window cleaner provides enhanced safety features, including multiple hardware-based fall protection measures and intelligent safeguards. The WinBot Mini is equipped with advanced intelligent path planning, allowing it to automatically navigate and clean windows of various sizes and structures with minimal effort. Edge detection technology ensures that every corner and edge of your windows are thoroughly cleaned without the risk of jamming or missing spots. The combination of 3 customizable cleaning modes allows users to choose between fast, thorough, and spot cleaning, ensuring optimal results for any window cleaning task.